Hi, this is Crazy Kid #1. Hope you enjoy this video. If you don't, I don't care. God! Ah! Why the fuck are the lights off? Hey, somebody.
Where the hell did he come from?
Good evening.
Who are you?
I'm Josh.
Where'd you come from?
The sky.
What? Why are you here?
Run! 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 Run, man! Run, man!
Stop throwing pillows, kid!
Run, man!
Kid!
Run! Run!
Run! There's no Bloody Mary.
There's nothing as Bloody Mary.
Yes,
No, there's not. Yeah, it's okay. Okay.
Ah, it's late. What the hell? Why? What'd you do to them? They're not breathing.
I killed them.
Why? There's no such thing as Bloody Mary. Come on, calm down.
The prophecy.
What? What prophecy? Ah!
The prophecy!